I want to share with you a really awesome day trading platform feature that I can't say is a magic pill or holy grail because those don't exist, but it's certainly something that I would say with full confidence should at least be experimented with, at least be considered, because as day traders, time is money. We need to behave very quickly. So any sort of platform feature that can allow us to make quick decisions, that can allow us to execute orders quickly, is going to be a benefit, and that's exactly what this platform is offering. So let me take you to my desktop and I'll show you this. It's very anticlimactic, but that's sort of the point. That's what allows it to be so time efficient. So right here, we're at the platform and looking at a technical chart. And just for whatever reason, for example's sake, let's say you're looking at this chart and you want to buy right down here. All you have to do is right click your mouse and notice right there, create new order. And you would click on that, and that fast your order window pops up. And one quick little note, all this stuff right here is customizable. So you can go in and predetermine what all those would be. That way it would populate exactly what you would want it to be, specifically the quantity that you would be wanting to work with on, whatever you feel comfortable with. But point here being is you would not need to change anything. So it would literally be, show you again. So you want to buy right here, right click, create new order, and then you'd go down there and click your place order. Now that does say place simulated order, which is the other thing. If you're looking for a platform that offers, paper trading, simulator trading, demo trading, all those are the same exact thing, then this platform also offers that. So if you're looking to practice, then yeah, like I said, this platform gives you that feature also. But again, think about how fast it is. In fact, let's count it out. So I see 1001, 1002, and that was with me, not even doing the right. Let's try it again. 1001, 1000. Yeah, I mean, we're talking 2 seconds where you click and then you'd go down there and hit that button. So if that's not time efficiency, I don't know what is, but a simple feature, very, very simple, but very, very powerful. Just dawned on me, I didn't even tell you what this platform is. That would be really bad, but it is Webull. And the nice thing about Webull is that they're always offering promotions. And as of right now, they're recording this video, they're giving away up to 12 free stocks, but that can differ. Sometimes it's money. But if you click on the link down below, you can go and learn more about the platform and check it out. But yeah, they're always running great promotions. And for transparency's sake, I do want to note that the link, if you use it below, is an affiliate link. So yes, I will get something also. But like I said, you'll get the free stocks, you'll get the promotion, whatever they're offering, and you'll just get a great platform with some really great features. So yes, trading from the chart where you can just right click, have all that populate. As you saw, it can allow you to operate very, very quickly. And that's the name of the game as day traders. We got to be able to behave. We've got to be able to execute as fast as possible to take advantage of those money-making opportunities. So I hope this helps. I hope this feature is something that, like I said, you consider and you at least maybe experiment with. So get signed up for the platform, go play around with it. Like I said, you can do all this in a paper trading simulator setting. So it's not like you have to even experiment with this with your real money, which is just a massive bonus in and of itself. So use that link, get signed up, and yeah, let me know down below. What do you think of the feature? Have you used it? How has it helped you? First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.